Welcome. If you want to allow another admin to post stories in your Telegram group using the PC app, you're in the right place. With the latest Telegram update, group admins can now post engaging stories, but you need to grant them the right permission first. Here's a step-by-step guide to get it done quickly and easily. First, open the Telegram app on your PC and make sure you're logged in. Once you're in, head over to the group where you're an admin. You'll see your list of chats on the left. Just click on the group you want to manage. At the top right corner of the group chat window, you'll notice 3 dots. Click on these dots to open a menu, then select Manage Group. This will bring up the Group Management panel, where you control all the settings and permissions for your group. Inside the Management panel, find and click on Administrators. Here, you'll see a list of all current admins for your group. Click on the name of the admin you want to give story posting rights to. Now you'll see a list of permissions you can enable for this admin. Look for the section labeled Manage Stories. Under this, find the option called Post Stories. Simply toggle this on to allow the selected admin to post stories on behalf of the group. Double-check that the switch is enabled. Once you've set the permission, don't forget to click Save at the bottom of the window. This ensures your changes are applied, and the chosen admin can now start posting stories for your group. With this update, your group can take advantage of Telegram's new story features, making your community more interactive and fun. Stories are a great way to share updates, highlights, or behind-the-scenes moments with your group members. And now you can empower your fellow admins to help keep the content flowing. That's all it takes. You've just made it possible for another admin to post stories in your Telegram group using the PC app. Enjoy the new features and keep your group lively and engaging.